Welcome to another math video. We are going to be converting from metric to imperial units this time. It's slightly different than imperial to metric units. It's basically the exact opposite process. We're still involving all the same things. We're going to use our conversion chart here to make some conversion factors. But this time we're going to have to round. So it's asking us to round to the nearest whole number. That's all it is. Same thing as the last set of videos. We're going to have to use probably King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. That's our metric unit conversion system, or short mnemonic. Let's just dive right in. That's just the best way for us to do this, is just to dive right in. So let's make 260 centimeters into inches. Can we, I'm asking, can we go straight from centimeters to inches? Well, yeah, there's a relationship here that goes from centimeters to inches. So let's try that out. 260 centimeters, and I want to turn it into inches, and I want to get rid of centimeters. So in 1 inch, there's 2.54 centimeters. So what I'm going to do on my calculator is I'm going to take 260 centimeters times 1, but that doesn't really mean anything, and then divide it by 2.54. So 260 divided by 2.54, and our centimeters cancel out, and I'm going to be left with inches. I end up getting 102 inches after I've rounded it. It's 102.3622 something, but that doesn't really matter because it's asking us to round to the nearest whole number. So it's the same as it was before. We're trying to see, can we go straight from this unit to that unit? Is there some relationship where meters and yards are being related? Yes, there is. So we'll say 36 meters. I want to turn it into yards, and I want to get rid of meters. So in 1 yard, there is 0.9144 meters. Meters and meters will cancel out, and I'll be left with yards. So when I do this on my calculator, I go 36 times 1 divided by 0.9144. So 36 divided by 0.9144 is going to give me 39.37 yards, or rather just 39 yards, because it wants us to round to the nearest whole number. Perfect. Let's keep going. 480 kilometers to miles. Can we go straight from kilometers and miles? Yes, we have a relationship right here. It tells us kilometers and miles. No problem. So 480 kilometers. Whoa, kilometers. I'll just try that again. 480 kilometers. And we want to turn it into miles. We want to get rid of kilometers. So in 1 mile, there's 1.609 kilometers. 480 divided by 1.609 is going to be 298 miles, because kilometers and kilometers will cancel out. Hopefully we're kind of getting a rhythm here. Can we go straight from millimeters to inches? I don't see millimeters anywhere on here. But what I can do is I can go from millimeters to another metric unit, and then from that other metric unit, I can get to inches. What is inches being related into? Inches and centimeters are related to each other. So let's go from millimeters to centimeters first. What was our relationship up here? We want to go from millimeters to centimeters. So we want to go from milli to centi. That's 1 place to the left. So I'm going to move my decimal, which is here, once to the left. So this is really, it really is 8 8.4 centimeters. Now that I've done that really simple metric conversion, 8.4 centimeters, now I can relate inches and centimeters to each other. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. My centimeters and centimeters will cancel out. I end up getting, it seems just unfortunate we have to do to the whole number, 3.307 inches, or 3 inches, because it's asking us to the nearest whole number. Let's try some more examples. We want to convert from 10 kilometers into yards. Can I go straight from kilometers into yards? No, I can't. But what I can do is I can go from kilometers into meters first, and then go from meters into yards. So let's do that. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And so I want to go from kilometers into meters. I want to go from kilo into my base unit. There's no prefix on meters, so that's my base unit. So that's 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to move my decimal 3 to the right. So 10.0 is 1, 2, 3 is 10,000 meters. Hopefully that makes sense. Kilo means 1,000. So we're going to take 10,000 meters. We want to turn it into yards, get rid of meters. And every 1 yard is 0.9144 meters. So when I try this, 10,000 divided by 0.9144, I end up getting 10,936 yards, because meters and meters cancel out. Let's try another one. Let's try to go from meters to feet, and we don't have anything that goes from meters to feet. The only thing that has feet in it in our conversion chart at this point in time is centimeters. So can I go from meters into centimeters? Yeah, it's really easy actually to go from meters into centimeters. So if I go from meters into centimeters, into centimeters, that's twice to the right. So 15 meters, 1, 2 becomes 1,500 centimeters. So 1,500 centimeters, converting into feet, getting rid of centimeters. So 1 foot contains 30.48 centimeters. Our centimeters and centimeters are going to cancel out. Perfect. So 1,500 divided by 30.48 is 49.21, yada, yada, yada. So 49 feet. Perfect. Hopefully that makes sense.